Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be sharing some current happy mail, some birthday happy mail, and I'm going to include the videos that I have been taking since December of my incoming Christmas die cut swap. I apologize so much for the delay. I still wanted to post the video because I do plan on hosting the Christmas die cut swap next year as well. And I did send all of the envelopes out. If you did not receive mine, please get a hold of me. And I believe every one that I received will be in this upcoming video. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is from Marissa over at Fun Size Crafter. I will tag everyone that I mentioned down below. She sent me some sweet Easter happy mail. I love how she makes her cards so cute. She shared a couple of die cut words that say Happy Easter, as well as these super cute bunnies. These are adorable. Marissa, thank you so much for thinking of me on Easter. She also wrote a cute note. I appreciate it so very much, and I do owe you some return happy mail. The next one is from Mary Ellen. She sent a thank you note for sending in little Christmas ornaments for her tree, and she made me a personalized tag. It's super cute. Thank you so much. It's really hard for me to find things that my name is spelled correctly on. Usually people have an E on the end. A fun fact, my actual name was Carrie Ann, so that's why I never had an E on the end of my name. It was Carrie Ann, one word. And when I went through school, the teachers just started calling me Carrie, and that was how I ended up with just Carrie. Next, I received the sweetest happy mail. This is from Erin over at Coop's Place. Thank you so much, Erin. This card is so cute. She sent me some birthday goodies in here. Let's take a look. These are so cute. These are stickers. Oh my gosh, my daughter is going to love this. She loves dinosaurs. She loves cowboy hats, and she loves postage stamps. This is awesome. I have an envelope that I keep my windmill stuff in, so that's great. These are so cute. I love them. I love the mushroom too, and the sweet treats and the beautiful flowers. Erin, thank you so much for remembering my birthday. The next birthday happy mail is from Tony over at Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts. Look at this card. I love it so much. So many details, the layering. Thank you so much, Tony. She wrote me a sweet note on the inside. She made me this paper clip. It's so cute for junk journaling. I love it. Thank you again so much for thinking of me on my birthday. I'm going to put in the last few of the Christmas packages that I received after I filmed the original one. This is from Jessica over at Jess Plans and Crafts over on Instagram. She sent this super pretty Christmas card, and it has a fun open. She wrote me a note on the inside. Thank you so much, Jess. I appreciate that. I hope your holidays were wonderful. And these die cuts are from Lauren over at Lauren OC64 on Instagram. She sent me this whole set of Christmas sentiments. They're sparkly and cute, and I love the fun colors. These are so nice to have pre-made in your stash and ready to go. Thank you so much, Lauren. This next one is from Pebbles over at Colita's Creations. She sent this beautiful card, wrote me a note. On the inside, she shared some of these epoxy flare buttons. They're so cute. I love them so much. Thank you so much, Pebbles. I appreciate you and hope you had a wonderful holiday. Now I'm just going to continue with the original video from my Christmas die cut swap. I thank you guys so much for your patience and understanding, and I hope you don't mind a little Christmas mid-year. Thank you guys so much. Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. I want to wish everyone a happy and wonderful 2026. Thank you all so very much for all of your support over the past year, and thank you for supporting my small dewdrop business. I appreciate you all so very much. I have been doing a Christmas die cut swap, which goes until December 31st, which is today, but any die cuts that I receive after, of course, I will be sending out a die cut swap in return. Let's get into the next round of die cuts that I received. This one is from Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos, and she sent this beautiful Christmas card. I think she embossed this. and she wrote me a note on the inside. Thank you so much, Enos, and everyone's channels will be linked down below. The next one is from Kathleen. Look at how super cute this polar bear is. I love it. And she wrote me a nice note on the inside. And these are the die cuts that she sent my way. We have some really nice snowflakes, and she made these super cute Christmas tags. These are so fun. They'll be great to use for little present to and from tags next season. Thank you so much for those. And this one is from Lori over at Lori is Inspired. And look at how beautiful this card front is. It's so pretty. She also wrote me a note. And on the inside, she sent this layered snowflake. And look at this, Mr. and Miss Santa Claus. The details on this are so awesome. I love it. And then we have this cocoa cup, which is adorable. Thank you so much for that. This next one is from Kristen over at Crafts by Chris. And I just want to say that it is absolutely outrageous. She sent me a regular envelope. It fit between the 1/4 inch. They charged her $7.80 to send an envelope. It is outrageous. I cannot believe that they did that. And I did message her and she said she didn't realize it when she was at the post office. But that is so wrong. I'm sorry I had to pay that much money. But she sent this joy to the world. And on the inside, we have these really sweet, let's see, I'm going to separate these so you can see them. These are banners. They're so sweet. We have these cute gingies. These adorable polar bears, this gingerbread house, and these really big falalas. So cute. Thank you so much for sending those my way, Kristen. I appreciate it so very much. And again, I'm sorry about that postage. The next one is from my bestie, Sharon, over at From Cheap to Chic. She sent this card. And she also sent this super cute peppermint package my way. Look at how cute this package is. It's so fun. I don't even want to open this because it's so pretty. She sent some of the caramels. We have packs of hot chocolate. This box is so cute. I love it so much. And she sent these Biscoff cookies. And these are actually my favorite cookies in the world. I love these so much. I did receive 2 more entries. I figured I would add them to my last video since I didn't publish that one yet. This beautiful card is from Perry, and I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel. If you do, please link it down below so I can tag you. Look at how cute this Christmas tree is. I love Christmas trees. She did leave the card blank, but wrote me a note separately. Let's take a look inside. We have this super cute heart border. These tags. There's another heart border. Whoops. The fun Christmas coffee cup. I should have made some of those this year. Those are really cute. We have the pickup truck with the tree in the back. Adorable. The Christmas sweater. These cute peppermint hearts. These candy canes. And a bunch of these vellum snowflakes. They are super cute. Thank you so much for joining in on my Christmas die cut swap. This next entry is from Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. I love how she did these 2 different patterns on there. We have the cute Santa, and she did write me a cute note on the inside. Look at this super cute ho ho ho. I love the size of that. She sent me some envelope seals, which I do use these in my dewdrop orders. Let's take a look at these cute die cuts. She made some Merry Christmas tags. These are super fun. And we have these white ones, which are great. I love them. We have this fun hat. I love that. I love the size of that. These super cute mittens. We have the Be Merry, the Merry Christmas, Angel, the December 25th. I love this one too. And the cute wreath. Thank you both so much for joining in my swap. Here's my babies. They're just chilling with me in my craft room. My dog sitting, this little man. Hey, Parky. He's sound asleep right now. And they're all being so good. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.